Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got an unboxing for you from the lovely Bailey J. I will pop a link, of course, to her channel and to my previous unboxings. So I'm so excited to open this one. It's got her lovely Halloween themed packing tape on it, which is very exciting. So let's get inside and have a look. Always a bit of a shame to be cutting through the tape. But let's have a look. Let's get inside. So this has come all the way from Canada. Oh, there we go. We've got Bailey J sticker and all my goodies. So where to start? We'll start with the freebie sticker because that's on the top. So this is the little freebie. It's a lovely vinyl sticker. You always get a little freebie, which is fab. I'll pop prices for things on the screen to save me looking them up now. But yeah, this is her lovely little like business card, thank you card, that always has a really nice piece of artwork on the back, which is great. I have the washi tape that matches this actually. Let me so this is the strawberry washi tape that matches this art card, so that's lovely. Talking of washi tape, I have picked up some washi tape. So let's have a look through. Are these easy to open? I'm not sure. Have they got a little teary bit? No, I think I'm going to have to cut it. Right, come on, open. There we go. So this one is a nice fat washi tape. It is, what's that, 2 centimeters in width, and in keeping with all of the theming, this is kind of an autumnal one. So, but I think with the sort of colours that I enjoy, this is something that I'm going to be able to use all year round. There we go. Right. So there we go. It's got lovely kind of autumnal daisies, I guess. Yeah, really nice. And obviously a good chunk of that on there. I'm sure somewhere it says how much. I have a feeling it's that. This is the Halloween version, or because this has got, it's the same gosh, words, it's the same flowers but including Midna and Kiki, which is Bailey's cats, and there's a little bat as well. I will show you now. I've figured out the technique to get into these ones. Come on, she says, figuring out the technique and not doing it. Right, so yeah, we've got a little black bat, white bat, and then Kiki and Midna, and a pumpkin. So there we go. Yeah, so that's the repeat on that one. So again, you could use it all year round if you wanted to just cut little bits of it. It's entirely up to you what you want to do with it, but yeah, they are very complementary of each other. These are the kind of acetate washies that I'm not really familiar with using, but I liked them, so I thought we'd have a go. I will try and do a spread using them soon so that you can see them sort of in use. These, I believe, have got a protective coating on the one side, maybe. Right, yeah, so these are, as you can see, this is just the flowers again, but yeah, you have to peel off the backing for for this one because obviously it is a clear. And I got this one, which will be lovely for the springtime. Okay, so this one has got tulips. You can see they match the Bailey J little logo there. So, and the same, you peel off the clear backing to use it as a sort of a decorative tape. It's not really a washi, I suppose. I'll get to those in a second. Oh. Many of you would have probably seen me use this sketchbook before. I've got this one. I've also got Witch's Hat one and Mushrooms one. I've now gone and got myself this one. It's so lovely. This was a bit of a bargain because it was considered B grade, which means that there may possibly be some slight issues with the stitching, but they're just decorative issues. There won't be any actual issues with the book itself. So here we are. Really nice. So yeah, I assume little things like this thread here being carried over, maybe this thread between the eyes of the bat, but it just makes it look like it's got a little smiley face. So yeah, super cute. This one I went for, oh, look at that on the inside as well, so lovely. I just went for a cream paper. You could choose between white, cream or dotted. Cream I find to be the most useful to me. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. As I said, we'll do those in a moment. And then this must be art, I believe. Yes. So, a piece of Bailey's art that has got a lovely, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, it's got a lovely hollow on top of it as well. I can remember watching her do this one and just loving these kind of pastel colours. It gave me a bit of a kind of Steven Universe vibe almost. I don't know, sort of. I really liked it, so treated myself to that. And right, these, which was sort of my justification for doing an order in the first place. As crafters and diamond painters, we use coverminders, and what I'm hoping is that with these I will be able to turn pin badges into coverminders. So let's just grab some pin badges. Collection of pin badges. Let's go with my little raven first. So the theory is that take off the back, replace the back with this. This has now turned the back of the pin into a magnet without me having to remove the pin. So obviously, yes, I could take any pin badge, a decent pair of pliers will remove that pin, then I can glue a magnet onto it, but then I don't have it as a pin anymore. Whereas this way, I get to have the choice of both. So, come on, go on. There. So, all I would need to do then is find a magnet, of which most of us have got loads. So, and that will now magnet onto there, no problem at all. There. So they do stand a little bit proud, but I don't think that's a problem. Will it work as a needle minder? Let's have a look. Yes, it will. For small needles, it will work as a needle minder. It is strong enough for that. For this larger needle, no. But for a smaller one, it would do. So, yeah, I just thought that that was such a cool idea. And the fact that you can have the choice then to have them as pin badges or as cover minders. It means I'll get more use out of my pin badges, but I don't have to give up the prospect of ever wearing them again if I want to. So those of you that watch my witch casket unboxings will know I get a pin badge every month. So I've got a huge selection of different pin badges, and it will be nice now to be able to match them up with different things that I am working on. So yeah, these, Bailey J is selling them, but they come from radbacks.ca. If you want to go and check them out directly, you can do. I bought a fair few of these, so I'm going to be able to try them out on different badges and see which ones I like the best. So yeah, let me know if you think that's a good idea, if it's something that yeah, you would be interested in having a go at doing, converting your pin badges into cover minders. So yeah, that is my little haul from Bailey J. I'm super excited to start playing around with these guys and yeah, seeing how these work out. There is so much available on Bailey's website. It is just wonderful. It's all her own artwork. It's wonderful. There's obviously the stationery, there's artwork. She's got clothing now as well, so you can get t-shirts and hoodies and things. And yeah, do go check it out, and also pop on over to her YouTube channel, which is super cozy and fun to watch if you are interested in anything kind of arty and vloggy. So thanks for joining me for today. I just wanted to share these purchases with you and share my little idea about the magnetic pin clutches. Let me know if you've seen anybody else doing them, particularly if you know anyone in the UK that's selling something similar. Please let me know, because then I won't have to be importing them from Canada. So thank you again. Thanks to everybody that supports me over on Patreon and the YouTube members. You guys are the best. If you want to join them, link is down below. And if not, you can help the channel for free by liking, sharing, subscribing if you haven't already. Pop on over to Facebook, become a member of the Crafty Coven. I'll see you in the next one. And until then, stay crafty.